These are the dynamic LED side markers here with the smoke lenses, and they will be available for all 2015 through 2023 Challengers, excluding the wide body cars. Now you should be checking out the dynamic LED options here if you are looking to replace the boring stockers with a full LED option, both front and rear, consisting of high-powered white LEDs behind the aggressive smoke lens, all for around that $200 price point. So right out of the gate, let's talk features here, guys. And for starters, you are getting the added brightness and consistency with other LED lighting on your Challenger when these markers have been fired up. Secondly, you're getting a very stealthy and very aggressive look when the lights are off, thanks to that dark smoke lens. So again, if you are looking to smoke out all of the lighting on your Challenger, this is certainly a great way to do so, while also adding a unique look at the same time, thanks to the 2 rows of bright white LEDs, both front and rear. Now moving into construction, and these options do feature OEM grade quality materials here, which in this case means a durable automotive grade plastic for the base or housing in black, and that is topped off with the smoked polycarbonate lens. Now those modern LEDs are located in the water resistant housing and do feature again 2 rows of bright white LEDs running the entire length of each marker here. Now the dynamic options have been given a waterproof rating of an IP67, and they are backed by a 2-year limited warranty in case you run into any issues. Finally, guys, always worth pointing out that these are going to be a plug and play install, and that they are both DOT and SAE certified. Coming in at or around that $200 price point, these white LED markers here will be one of your more premium options on the site or in the category for your Mopar at home, but admittedly they are one of the nicer options from a build standpoint, along with being backed by a pretty solid warranty. All right, last but not least, let's talk about the installation portion of today's video, guys. Site's gonna call this a solid 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you about an hour at most to complete from start to finish. And now to give you a better idea of how this might go down on your Challenger at home, let's throw it out to the shop for a detailed walkthrough and tool breakdown.
For this install, you need a trim clip removal tool. Today we're gonna be installing side markers on our Challenger. Let's get into it. First, you need to remove these 3 clips. There's also a 4th one down here, which we're currently missing. You're going to be using a trim clip removal tool. And you want to pull back the fender liner. You're going to stick your hand in here, feel for a connector, pinch it, pull it back, pull out the old marker. Now that we have our front marker light out, it's time to install our new one. So 2 notes. One is you want to make sure you have the correct marker light for the correct side. All the marker lights on the right side are going to have an RH stamped on the back. All the marker lights for the left-hand side are going to have an LH. So we're working on the passenger side, so that's going to be the right side, so all mine say RH. Also, the front and rear are different from each other. So you just want to make sure you get both your marker lights next to each other. Okay, that looks good. They look the same. Now we can install our new one. You just slide it in like this. Want to find that plug. Plug it in the back. I'll make sure you have a good connection. And then we're going to reinstall our clips. And remember to install that 4th one. Like I said, we're missing ours. Once you've uninstalled the marker light on this side and reinstalled the new one, repeat the same process on the other side. Now we're going to move on to the rear. Remove these clips in here with a trim clip removal tool. And once you've done that, you can peel back the cover a little bit. You're gonna stick your hand all the way in here. Might have to get on the ground when you do this. pinch your light, and install the new one. Since you already installed the right-hand one on the front, there's going to be one right-hand one left. Click that in. Now we can reinstall our clips. Then repeat the same process on the other side. Alrighty, that about wraps up this review and install of the dynamic LED side markers in white, smoked, for a 2015 to 2023 Challenger, excluding the wide body. Thank you for watching, and remember, for everything Challenger, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.